Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's your girl Reeks. So today I'll be doing some mathematics questions. So you guys will see if you are not clear as to how to do them, then you'll maybe have a better understanding. If you have any math problems that you need assistance with, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number down below in the description where you can go ahead and contact me. Alright, so I can provide some assistance to you. Remember to go over to our Instagram page at Reeks_cosmetics, Facebook The Only Reeks, and our Instagram Reeks. Alright guys? Also guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Guys, so I don't have a black or a whiteboard, so I'm just using a book. Alright, so we're going to do a ratio question. So say the question goes like this. A piece of ribbon 81 centimeters long in length, and it's divided in the ratio 1 to 3 to 5. Calculate the length of the longest piece of ribbon. Alright, so the longest piece would be 5. First thing first, we're going to add all these numbers. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4. 4 plus 5 equals to 9. Right? Then it says the ribbon is 81 centimeters in length or centimeters long. So what we're going to do, we're going to divide 81 by 9. Or some people prefer to do it like this. 981. Either way, 9 into itself, 1 time 9 into 81, 9. Right? So, one piece of the ribbon is 9 centimeters long. That's one single one out of the 81. Is 9 centimeters long. Alright? So to find the longest piece, we're going to multiply the answer we got here, which is 9 multiplied by 5. 9 fives equals 45 centimeters. So the longest piece of the ribbon is 45 centimeters long. Alright? So we're going to do that again, just in case someone was lost somewhere. Alright? So, a piece of ribbon, 81 centimeters in length, and it's divided into 3 pieces in the ratio of 1 to 3 to 5. Calculate the length of the longest piece of ribbon. Alright. First, we're going to add these 3 numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Right? Next thing we're going to do is divide the entire ribbon by 9, divide it by 9, so we can find out how long is one piece of ribbon, or how long is one piece of ribbon. So we're going to 81 divided by 9. 9 into itself, 1 time. 9 into 81, 9 times. Therefore, one piece of ribbon is 9 centimeters long. Alright, the question says to find the longest piece, which is 5. That is where we're going to multiply this answer we got here, 9 multiplied by 5. That's going to give us 45 centimeters. So one piece of ribbon is equal, so 1 is 9 centimeters. 5 pieces of ribbon or the length, or 5, is equal to 45 centimeters. If we wanted to find out for the 3, we would go ahead and multiply 9 multiplied by 3, which would give us 27 centimeters. Alright guys, I hope that was simple enough or detailed enough for you guys to understand. Alright guys, so some persons have problems multiplying fractions. It's quite simple guys. Just remember, when you're multiplying or dividing a fraction or fractions, you do not find the lowest common multiple. You only find the LCM, lowest common multiple, when you only find the lowest common multiple when you're adding or subtracting fractions. Alright, so first things first. 3 multiplied by 8 plus 1. So 3 8s, 24 plus 1, 25. Over 3. Over the denominator, which is 3. Alright, then you put back your multiplication sign. 2 times 16 plus 1. 2 times 16. 2 times 16 equals 32 plus 1, 33, over your denominator, which is 2. Alright guys, now you're going to cross multiply. My arrows are not looking so wonderful, but you get the idea. So you look to see if there's anything to multiply, or to eliminate, to cancel, sorry. You only can go this way to that way, this way to that way, or this way to this way. Alright, so numerator to opposite denominator, numerator to opposite denominator, or numerator to its denominator, or numerator to its denominator. You cannot go across to eliminate just like that. You can't eliminate 25 with 33 or 3 with 2. Alright, so I'm going to see if there's any number that can go into these numbers that can be eliminated to bring it down to a smaller number. So I see that 3 can go into 33. So I say 3 into itself 1 time. 3 into 33, 11 times. Alright? Do I see anything else to eliminate? No. So I'm going to put my equal sign. Now that's the time I go ahead and multiply across. So 25 multiplied by 11 equals to 275. Hence, I'm going to put my 275 right here over my denominator. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Alright, so I can go ahead and change this to an improper fraction. So we don't have, no, not an improper fraction, a mixed number, sorry, so that we don't have an improper fraction. Alright, so we say 2 into 2 1 time, 2 into 7 3 times, 2 3s is 6, 1 remainder. 2 into 15 goes 7 times, 2 7s 14, leaving 1 remainder. Alright, so that's going to be 137 and a half, my 1 remainder over my denominator. Hence we have 137 and a half. Alright guys, so this is another math problem. Alright, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to be simplifying this question. So it says 2 open bracket 7x minus y, close bracket, negative 3, open bracket, 5x minus y, close the bracket. All right, first we have to, any number you see outside of a bracket without a sign, it means to multiply. So you have 2 here, you don't have a sign, negative or positive sign after the 2. That means you're going to multiply the 2 by what is in the bracket. All right, we're going to do the same thing over here, the negative 3 multiplied by whatever is in the bracket. All right, so I'm going to say 2 multiplied by 7x, 2 sevens is 14, so 14x, right? Remember, a positive plus a negative, or a positive come in contact with a negative is always negative. So I'm going to put back my negative sign here. All right, 2 multiplied by y is 2y. Over here now, it says negative 3 multiplied by 5x. Remember, negative and positive coming in contact, so we're going to put our negative sign. 3 times 5 equals 15x, right? Then negative 3 multiplied by negative y, negative and negative gives positive, so I'm going to put my plus sign. 3y, 3 multiplied by y equals 3y. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my like terms together. So I have 14x, I'm going to take my negative 15x, putting my like terms together. Then I have my negative 2y with my positive 3y. Alright, so 14x minus 15x. So it's like this, guys. You go to the shop and you want something to buy. The item costs $15, but you only have $14. So if the shopkeeper says, alright, I'm going to give you and you're going to owe me, how much are you going to owe the shopkeeper? 1. Hence, you still owe, so it's negative 1x or just negative x. When you see x alone, x standing by itself, the number in front of it is always 1. Alright, so hence we're through with this part. So negative x, we're going to come here now. You go to the shop and you need an item to buy. It costs $2, right? And you have $3. How much money do you have left? $1. Why is it going to be positive? Because you don't owe. You have that money.